towing industry, we were tasked with creating electronic joystick control consoles for the trucks. Typically, there's one on each side of the truck. We started with the larger trucks first. We had a large wraparound console, multi-axis joysticks, single-axis joysticks, display screen, pretty elaborate setup. On the smaller trucks, they don't need quite as much content, so they're really just looking for the joysticks, a way to enable the station, and an e-stop and a status LED to tell them what's going on. So for that format, we kept with a similar theme of a wraparound console. This solution, because it's going to be outdoors as opposed to in the toolbox, will have a cover option where they can close it over the top, latch it, and it helps protect the controls during transit. Everything that we've picked here, again, falls with our design concepts of having fully sealed items, IP rated, also negative 40C controls, and rated components. The larger trucks have both options for wireless. They have a small handheld that runs the underlift functions, and it can change into also running some of the boom functions, but primarily when they're running boom functions, they have a larger belly pack wireless solution, whereas this smaller truck, because of the lesser functions the truck has, we're going to actually reuse the same underlift control module to also run the underlift as well as the single function boom functions. So some of the key design elements when we created this design console was we wanted to pick joysticks that are going to be exposed to the elements but not have any issues with contamination and are very durable and robust. We picked the Curtiss-Wright JC1500 joysticks, the metal shaft. They're fully sealed. We've used them for years, had really good success with them. You can hit them, knock them, and they still won't break or damage, and they'll continue to operate. So that was a strong choice that we did with the joysticks. Then for all the other elements in the design, the control module, the LEDs, the e-stop, the switches, even the joysticks, they're all fully sealed where they can get water on them, water spray on them, and they'll still live. And then the way we did the plastic was we allowed the unit, if it does get water to enter the console, it can then drain out because all the components can handle water and everything will be okay. By looking at the various product lines that the OEM offers, we bring a common look and feel across the product line for them. So we started with the bigger ones, but now moved down across the line and have a similar feel to controllability that they have here. So when they do own multiple trucks in the fleet, they'll have some sense of how to operate the units and comfort there.